Shoebills are large birds that live in wetlands and marshes. They are the only member of the genus Ballyniceps, which is Latin for thick-headed. Hello and welcome to another episode of Beastly Acts. This one will be about shoebills, so before we continue, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification for new videos. Thanks. The shoebill is a wading bird with a tall, heron-like bill. It is found in swamps and other wetlands in Africa and Southeast Asia. The name shoebill comes from their resemblance to a shoe, but they're known as whale-headed stork. Unlike most other storks, they eat mainly fish instead of animals like snakes or frogs. The shoebill is a large bird with a long, almost straight bill and long legs. It has a heavy, breast-shaped body with the neck shorter than the head. Their feet are red and their irises are dark brown. The male has white feathers on its chest, which turn black during breeding season to show off its impressive plumes of crests. The shoebill has a white throat and neck, with a black mustache stripe and bright red tongue. The shoebill is one of the largest storks in the world with an average height of around 7.9 feet and a weight of 20 to 28 kilograms. It also has one of the largest wingspan among birds, at around 8 feet. Shoebills are called Oddball in Vietnam, which means hollow bill. The bird's characteristic hollow nostrils may have been adapted for catching fish or for grinding up tubers. The beak is gray-black in color and is used for digging up food. It has a sharp hook at the end that is used for catching fish and other aquatic prey. It also has a toothless, snout-like structure on top of its beak that helps it to grip onto the bottom of rivers. There are a lot of myths and misconceptions about shoebills. One of the most common myths is that they are dangerous animals. However, this is not true at all. Shoebills only pose a threat to humans when they are feeling threatened or if they have their young with them. The animals are considered to be endangered. They were once found in Africa, but they were never common and they are now restricted to a small area of swampy coastal habitat in southern Somalia. This bird is a member of the family Ballynicipedidae, and it is also known as the shoebill or shoebie. It was first described by British naturalist William John Swainson in 1827. The shoebill has been classified both as a kind of ibis and spoonbill in the past, but is now classified as a true stork. The shoebill is a bird species that lives in the swamps of Africa. It is one of the few birds that has a large beak like a shoe, and it can grow up to 1.5 meters in height. The shoebill has many interesting features that make it stand out from other bird species. There are only 3 known species of shoebills, and they are native to Africa. They are found in Angola, Benin, Cameroon, Central African Republic, Congo, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Equatorial Guinea, Gabon, Ivory Coast, Kenya, Liberia, Nigeria, Rwanda, Senegal, and Uganda. The extinction of the shoebill can be attributed to several factors, such as habitat destruction, hunting, and loss of prey species. But these reasons can be fixed with proper conservation efforts. With the assistance of local governments, NGOs, and international agencies, the shoebill is a highly social bird like most storks and ibises that live in wetlands and marshes. They are colonial birds that form large flocks and thrive on having a community of individuals to find food for themselves, their chicks, or their offspring over long periods of time. The shoebills are one of the most fascinating creatures that exist in the world. They are an incredible species that has evolved to survive in a specific environment and ecosystem. It is possible to see them in Africa and Asia, but they can also be seen in Florida and Louisiana. They have been spotted all over the world, but they are most commonly found near rivers and swamps. This is because they need water to survive and eat from. The shoebill's diet consists mostly of fish, frogs, snakes, crocodiles, crabs, or insects. They will often hunt for their food at night or during the morning hours before sunrise when it is cooler outside. It is very rare for them to be seen during the day because they prefer to stay hidden away from predators.